Why do content creators and small business owners struggle to get views and sales on TikTok? For many, it's more than just a lack of engagement. It's the frustration of spending hours creating videos that go unnoticed, or feeling lost while competitors cash in on viral trends. The real problem? It's not what you think. TikTok success is trend-driven. By the time trends are spotted, they're already dead. Many are guessing instead of using real-time data. This leads to wasted time, low engagement, and missed opportunities. Common solutions like posting more often or following random trends fail to address the real issue. They can even make things worse. But there's a better way. Imagine an AI-powered system that finds hot TikTok trends early and creates viral-ready videos automatically. With TokPrime AI, users detect trends before they explode. They generate scroll-stopping videos in minutes. No skills, no editing stress. Jason M., an affiliate marketer, went from 200 views to over 120K views in just 3 days. Priya S., a small business owner, finally got sales from organic traffic. Imagine posting with confidence, knowing your content is on point. Feel the excitement of going viral and watch your sales soar. Click below to discover how we achieve viral TikTok growth effortlessly with TokPrime AI.